Right, I've got a lot of work to do. This is Roger, or to Alex's BMW E30 Touring. Now, I'll leave a link in the description to Alex's channel. Go check him out, he's got plenty of videos. In the previous episode of Restoring Roger, we continued on this back section and we got it 99.9999% complete. All I need to do is grind down a little bit of welding. In this video, I'm going to continue grinding down that weld. So this is all complete. I'll get this back section primed and then I'm going to start on that front corner on the driver's side because I know that that's going to be a pain because there's plenty of rust on that corner. Yeah man, let's get into it. Right, here we have our nice, lovely wheel arch stroke sill. Now, it's not 100% perfect, but I'm going to do a little bit of, titivating to it off camera. But for now, I'm going to get this wheel back on and I'm going to jump onto that front side on the jacking point because I know that that's got quite a few holes in it, to be honest. So I'm going to cut that out and see exactly what I need. Now, this car has been on an axle stand probably for about 4 or 5 weeks, so it looks so different being actually on the floor. Now, like I say, I do want to take this tyre off again and just, protect in there properly and do all this and do all that, but I can do that off camera. Now, I'm going to jump onto that front section. So this is said front section. Now, it's exactly what I did in one of the first videos. On the other side, it's all this corner here. So I need to get inside there. I need to get rid of the sound deadening. There's a wiring harness which is here as well, which I need to obviously get rid of, which is right there. And then I can start cutting out and see exactly what I need to actually refabricate. So the situation is, I've done this outside panel here and I've done this. Now this had a slight curve on it because this whole floor pan sort of situation curves up into the bulkhead, which is up here. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've still got to grind these welds down, which I will do, and I've also got to replace this panel here because this is badly pitted. But it's only like a rectangle panel. I can do that, don't worry. Now what I'm going to concentrate on is getting this floor, big floor section fabricated. So I can get a piece of paper, I can trace out what I need, get it on some sheet steel, get it welded in. It does have a bead or two on it, so I need to obviously match it with the original, but I can do that. And I've also got this big square panel to do on the bottom, and then this sort of jacking point strengthener thing that goes on this side here. So yeah, that's a lot of work. Yeah, I've got a lot of work to do. Right, so I've done that floor section there, and I've welded it in, but I've actually run out of gas. So I'm going to leave the rest of the welding until the next video, and I can grind it all down. But now I'm going to concentrate on this square jacking point here, and then this sort of situation that goes around here as a support for that jacking point. Right, I don't know if you noticed, but I have been rushing around like an absolute headless chicken trying to get this done. But that's going to be it for this video, because this video goes live in a couple of hours time and I've still got to edit it. So I've run out of gas, I can't weld these on, but these are ready for the next episode. So in the next episode, I'm going to weld these on, bada bing, bada boom, need to go.